Stop. I know why you are here. You are staring at your empty bank account, suffocating from the weight of bills, and your mind is screaming in a panic. How am I going to survive? Why is it always so hard for me? Listen to me very carefully. Stop checking your pockets. Start checking your mindset. Your current financial digital numbers are just a reflection of your past decisions, not your future destiny. The system wants you scared. The matrix wants you broke, because a desperate man is easy to control. But you are not a slave to the scarcity. You cannot build a financial empire while keeping a poor man's fear in your head. Listen to this wealth reprogramming manifesto for 21 days straight. Do not break the chain. Subscribe now and save this video to your playlist so you don't lose your financial sanctuary. Your mental transformation into wealth begins now. Kill the fear of spending. Focus on the power of multiplying. Money is not paper, it is energy that flows to the fearless. Silence your doubts. While the world wastes time complaining about the economy, you build your asset fortress in the dark. Your current poverty is temporary fuel. Every unpaid bill, every sacrifice you make today is a transaction for your future luxury. Do not trade your time for crumbs. Re-engineer your skills. Demand more from yourself. Build an empire that outlives your name. You are no longer a victim of the financial system. You are the architect of your own economy. Stand up, look up. The broke days are officially over. Tomorrow you wake up as a builder. Return here tomorrow.